If your tool shelf is full but the cut still comes out ragged, here's the best handsaw setup. 3 saws plus 1 angle tool. Quick answer. Shark 10 to 2315 is the fast, clean default. Irwin 12 INCH is the fallback. Silky Pocketboy is the compact one. No handsaw wins every job. Choose by speed, storage, control, and angles. Choose the Shark 10 to 2315 Carpentry Saw 15 INCH if you want one handsaw for everyday wood jobs. It fits deck boards, trim fixes, plywood, small framing tasks, and cuts that don't need power setup. You'll get quick progress, steady tracking, and cleaner edges than bargain saws usually leave. The catch is storage, because it's a thin pull blade with fussy guards. Don't toss it loose in a packed toolbox. Skip it if you want a rough saw that can ride anywhere unprotected. If the Shark is hard to find, the Irwin 12 INCH General Carpentry Saw 213101 is the sensible backup. Buy it if you still want pull saw handling, but you care more about a comfortable grip and a slightly smaller tool than raw speed. It's capable enough for normal home carpentry and easier to live with than an oversized saw. The trade-off is stroke length. The 12 INCH blade makes bigger cuts drag on. It can also feel less settled on angled cuts. Skip it for frequent full-size lumber work. Pick the Silky Pocketboy 130mm folding saw medium teeth when storage space matters most. It's for drawers, camping bins, small bags, pruning, and occasional light carpentry. The folding handle covers the blade, so you'll pack it neatly without a separate guard. That's the big benefit if your kit gets carried around. The catch is the short blade, which makes bigger cuts slower and more tiring. Skip it if you're renovating or cutting full-size lumber again and again. To steady basic angle cuts, add the Stanley 20 to 112 Clamping Mitre Box. It's for trim, small boards, and DIY cuts at 22.5-, 45-, or 90-degree angles when a powered miter saw would be overkill. The clamps help keep the work from wandering, and the box gives you more room than many bargain versions. Its limit: don't lean on the included saw. Pair the box with a better handsaw, and expect the plastic slots to wear with use. Quick split. Most home jobs, Shark 10 to 2315. Similar roll, smaller feel, Irwin 12 INCH. Tiny storage and light cutting, Silky Pocketboy. Then add the Stanley Mitre Box when trim angles need more control. Before you buy, decide where the saw will live. Thin blades need protection, folding saws save space, and repeated long cuts are still power saw territory. For trim, clamp the board and let the guide do the boring accuracy work. If you're unsure, start with the Shark 10 to 2315. Go Irwin if comfort and a smaller saw matter more, or Silky if storage is the real problem. Then add the miter box for cleaner trim angles. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.